Welcome back to Road Roar, where luxury, performance, and innovation come together. Today, we're taking a look at something truly outrageous, the all-new 2027 Bugatti Motorhome, a futuristic luxury RV designed to bring hypercar-inspired performance and ultra-premium comfort to the world of road travel. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling masterpiece built for those who want speed-inspired design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched luxury on every journey. From the outside, the 2027 Bugatti Motorhome looks absolutely stunning. Inspired by Bugatti's iconic hypercars, it features a sleek aerodynamic body, signature horseshoe grille, sharp LED lighting, sculpted body lines, and premium oversized alloy wheels that give it an exotic and futuristic road presence. The aggressive front fascia, flowing curves, and luxury detailing make this RV look more like a moving supercar than a traditional motorhome. Every angle screams exclusivity and performance. Step inside, and the Bugatti Motorhome feels like a private luxury penthouse on wheels. The cabin is covered in handcrafted leather, carbon fiber accents, premium wood trim, and ambient lighting that creates a futuristic atmosphere. A massive touchscreen infotainment system, digital controls, premium surround sound, and smart connectivity features deliver a next-level experience. Plush lounge seating, a luxury dining space, a fully equipped kitchen, and a private bedroom turn every trip into a 5-star hotel experience. The rear section offers a luxury sleeping area with premium bedding, spacious wardrobes, and a spa-inspired bathroom with high-end fixtures. Panoramic windows, smart climate controls, and advanced comfort features make long journeys feel effortless and relaxing. Performance is expected to be impressive, with a high-output hybrid powertrain delivering powerful acceleration and smooth cruising despite its size. Advanced suspension, intelligent all-wheel premium braking systems, and cutting-edge driver assistance technology ensure comfort, stability, and safety on highways and long-distance travel. Pricing for the 2027 Bugatti Motorhome is expected to start around $1 million, while highly customized ultra-luxury versions could go far beyond that. The all-new 2027 Bugatti Motorhome is not just an RV. It's a hyper-luxury home on wheels that combines Bugatti-inspired styling, futuristic technology, and world-class comfort in one extraordinary package. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting luxury vehicle reviews right here on Road Roar.